In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an animated page cover in Notion. If you've ever wanted your Notion pages to feel a little more alive, an animated cover is a quick way to add personality and visual focus without changing how your workspace functions. I'll walk you through preparing your GIF, adding it as a cover, choosing between uploading a file or using a link, and then framing it so it looks just right. First, prepare your GIFs. You can find one on a popular GIF library like Jiffy or Tenor, or create your own in a design tool such as Canva. The important part is that the file is actually a GIF. Notion recognizes GIFs and will loop them automatically, so you'll get that subtle motion up top. If you are creating one yourself, keep the file size reasonable so it loads quickly. Shorter loops and smaller dimensions generally perform better. If you plan to upload, save the GIF to a location on your computer you can easily find. If you plan to link, open the GIF in your browser and copy the direct image address the URL should end with. GIFs, not a general page link. Next, open your Notion page. Hover your cursor over the page header area until you see the cover controls appear. Then click Add Cover if there isn't one yet, or Change Cover if you are replacing an existing image. This opens the cover menu where you can choose how to bring in your GIF. From here, you have two options. If you are uploading, click Upload, navigate to your saved GIF file, and select it. Notion will process it and place it at the top of your page. Give it a moment to load and start looping. If you'd rather link to a GIF, choose the link option in the same menu. Paste the direct GIF URL into the field and confirm. Notion will fetch the image and display it as your cover. If it doesn't animate, double-check that the link points to the actual GIF file. Once your GIF is in place, click Reposition to adjust the framing. Click and drag to move the image until the most important part of the animation sits in view. When you are happy with the composition, apply the change to lock it in. This helps your page header look polished on different screen sizes. And that's it, your Notion page now has an animated cover. It's a small touch that can make dashboards, wikis, and project hubs feel more engaging. Thanks for watching.